Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Colton with BearScareBeauty, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial because I kind of noticed that on my channel I don't really do wings much on any of my eye looks. It's kind of one of those things, not that I can't do wings, I prefer not to. I can do wings on other people, I cannot do them on myself. Now, the reason being is I have like ultra hooded eyes, whereas it's kind of hard to tell on camera, but I mean when I just relax my face and look real bitchy. If you notice, the hood of my eye extends below the base of my lower lid. So drawing a wing on my eye is like crumpling up a piece of paper and then drawing a straight line on it and then uncrumpling it. That's kind of what it looks like. So I can't draw wings using that like, take the down below and extend up and then connect it from the top, because when I let my eye drop, it just like, and it looks real weird and terrible. I would say, excuse this eye look. I was kind of playing with a little bit of color theory, I guess. Looking at like a dictionary of kind of complementary colors, if that makes sense. So I decided to go with a scheme that was like lilac and then this kind of like mustardy green with a seafoam green and then seafoam green, and then like this kind of nice soft red smoking out the lower lash line. I think it looks okay. It's kind of one of those things, like it looks nice in theory, not always in practice. It's neither here nor there. It's not what this video is about. So I'm actually going to pull you guys a lot closer so you can really see what we're working with. So I'll be right. So now that we're up close and personal, I'm just going to show you really what I do. And I use something called the triangle technique, or I call it the triangle technique, whereas you start by drawing a triangle like right here and then extend it to the wing. And then to connect it, you draw like another little triangle right here and you draw a really thin band. Because you can't really afford to not use all your lid space when you have eyes that are as hooded as mine. I mean, look at that, like, gone. All that shadow's gone. Gone. Just looking straight forward, nothing. Alright, so, to do that, I'm going to try to keep this as viewable as possible for you guys. Ooh, Jesus, there's a little ink bubble on there. Now, I'm starting by relaxing my eye, and I'm going to draw the first little nub of the triangle, and I'm actually going to extend it kind of lower than my lash line, so it's going to go right there. It's a little thick. This is... Holy Christ, there is something wrong with this. Wow, now that I've wiped off the excess of that, it kind of created the triangle that I was trying to create anyways, so I'm alright with that. I'm actually just going to kind of perfect that a little bit more. I am opening my eye for this. Right? It's the beginning of our triangle. Let that dry down. I'll fix this a little bit here in a second. Now, I'm going to take this, and I'm going to connect it, right? So there we have our base. I will clean this up here in a second. I did kind of fudge a little bit. Now see, when I relax my eye, the wing doesn't totally disappear. Now if I had just drawn that shape, like the kind of go from the bottom and then go from the top lash line, once I relax my eye, it'd be completely gone and it'd look really insane. Now that we've drawn that triangle, that's a nice little base. And now I'm going to connect this triangle right here to my lash line. Boom. And now oh my Christ. There is absolutely something wrong with this eyeliner pen because it's like bleeding. Oh my god. I've never had this particular one. This is the NYX Epic ink liner. I've never had a problem with this liner before, so I don't know what's going on. Oh yeah, see, look, it just transferred right there. I've never had it do this. It's really not comfortable. Oh my god, what is wrong with this fucking liner? We're just going for it. Rude. It's actually bleeding into my inner corner. What is happening? What are you doing? Well, in for a penny, in for a pound. Alright. I'm gonna fill in this triangle. Just cleaning up the edge. Now, you're gonna have to resist connecting that, because the second you connect this point right here and your lash line, goes to hell. Covers up like 90% of your lash. Looks bad. Looks real, real bad. Don't do it. I am gonna thicken up the band a little bit right here though. Sorry, I'm real bad about like being all up in my own face. I'm gonna fix this little dot I have up here by just taking a wonderful little spoolie and, you know, just kinda... Now that that's gone, I'm just gonna take a little precision blending brush. It's got no product on it. And I'm just going to blend the edge slightly there. I am going to get just a dab of concealer and clean up right there. Fabulous. Now that we've cheated that a little bit, I'm just going to wait for it to dry down. And then I'm going to tap the edge out a little further with my finger. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, so hopefully I come back with 2 matching wings, so I'll be right back. And I did finish my other eye. As you can see, oh fuck, this one bled a little bit just right there. You know, I'm just gonna leave it for right now. I'm not doing anything tonight. I'm just gonna wash all this off and go to bed. That was unfortunate, but as you can see, 2 relatively replicated wings that work really well on a very hooded eye. Now, I think it was Alyssa Ashley has a hooded eye tutorial, and that's for just kind of regular hooded eyes that are more hooded towards like the middle section and inner rather than outer. And I mean, if you just have normal hooded eyes, she has a really great tutorial, and she does a very similar method where she draws like the little triangle and then kind of turns it into a diamond. Her eyes aren't so hooded that you can't like connect it. Like it's really, I mean, if you see that, it's almost like a swoop, right? It's a little more pronounced on this side, but it's like a swoop that connects to the band. She doesn't have to do that because when she opens her eyes, when she has that, you can still see that full line and it looks real good. My eyes cannot do that. I have some old Instagram pictures from when I was like just kind of experimenting with doing wings on myself, and it's just like whoosh, and just you could fly away on them. It's insane. It's wild. And it doesn't look good. So I had to learn to do everything else. And like I said, I mean, this is kind of a cool graphic eye too. Kind of goes with my goth boy look. You know, I'm not mad at this color scheme. I'm really not. I like the lilac. I like the red. It's not terrible. But yeah, so that was just my little wing on ultra hooded eye tutorials. I looked around. I didn't see many. Or many that worked for me. So yeah, I thought I'd put one up, but thanks guys so much for watching. If you'd like, subscribe to my Instagram, BearScareBeauty, same way it's spelled here. Twitter, BearScareBeauty, same way it's spelled here. And YouTube down below, it'd mean a lot to me. Again, thanks guys for watching. Bye.